Then about the mind, we have to handle the mind. There we have to use logic and rational thinking to convince our mind that there is no use worrying about anything. If anything can be done, let us do it perfectly. If everything is done, then accept what comes, as there is no other way other than accepting. Either you can accept and be happy, or not accept, be unhappy, but what has to be done has to be done. So this kind of proper thinking and properly, rationally thinking about the situation and giving yourself the strength to follow it through is very important now. In this, it is also emotionally very useful to think positive and to be connected with all our near and dear. And these days of digital communication, it is so easy to be connected with all our near and dear, even though they are not physically near to us. So it is a good idea to be connected with everybody. So we can use the social media properly to be connected with everybody, but not use the social media to build up paranoia inside us and worry and anxiety and undermine our own health and immunity. You can learn a new thing, read, write, paint, follow your hobbies that we were not able to do before. Have classes, online classes, learn something new, learn a new skill, learn a new language, wherever our interest is. We have everybody, all of us are very multi-dimensional personalities. Wherever our interest is, if we do what we like, what we have been wanting to do and what we like, if we do properly, then that will also build up the strength, and that emotional strength that is built up will give us better immunity to face the situation. And none of this is complete without appreciating that there is a Lord, there is Ishvara. This whole world is a manifest form of Ishvara. We are all part of that. Like how every cell in our body is part of our whole body, the total body. How every cell has to work in harmony with its own locality, that is the organ, and with the other localities, the other organs, the total system. Like that, we should all be appreciating that one force, that one truth, which connects us all together, which we have to appreciate at this point as God, as Ishvara, who is the maker and the material of this world. And we have to be connected to that force, that Ishvara also. We have to be connected. Each one has got their own way of connecting to that force. We can connect in that way and pray. Pray doesn't mean be afraid and crying and praying. Pray is positive thinking. Think positively for oneself. Start with oneself. We are the fulcrum of this world. Each one of us is a fulcrum of our own world. Pray for oneself for positivity, for better strength to accept this situation and go through this situation and come out of it as well as possible. Then pray for immediately the next community, then the country, then the whole world. With this, we can keep ourselves strong, keep ourselves capable of facing what comes. And finally, not but the least, learn to keep a very positive attitude. Be very loving to yourself. Be very loving to your near and dear, your family. Be loving towards everybody. Send waves of love, thoughts of love to everybody around. And sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Let everybody be happy. Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Let them not be undergoing dukkha. Let them not have pain. Let them not have difficulty. With this prayer, we can start our day, and with this prayer we can end our day and somehow go through this situation along with the cooperation of the whole world and the government and everybody and get out of it. What about the future? Live one day at a time. Live one day at a time. Always the present moment is the truth of time. So live the present moment, the present hour, the present day. When that day comes, the future, that time we will assess the situation and do our best at any time. This is all we can do at any time. Assess the current situation and do your best. That's all. So this is the only way to live. I would give one more advice. Don't get too involved in the news of the coronavirus. constantly whole day only to going through the news, what has happened, what has happened, what has happened. I know we cannot be without looking at the news. Ration your time, restrain your time. You look at the news little bit time, understand what is happening so you are aware of what is happening, but not get obsessed with what is happening, because that will undermine our own confidence and our own well-being and our own immunity. So in order to help ourselves and through us help people who are related to ourselves, these are the times when we have to learn to live in this manner, pragmatically, positively, surrendering to Ishvara. This is the only way to go through. Let us hope all of us together go through this in this manner to the best of our ability and help ourselves and help the others and the society also. With this, I wish you all the best. I wish each and every one of you to stay safe, to be positive, to take care of yourself and to take care of your own people. Om Tat Sat.